guys, welcome to Bug Fixer. So today we are going to show you how to download and install Windows 10, okay, latest version, and it's genuine version. Okay, let's go. Let us start our video. First you need to go to, just type Microsoft Windows 10. You can see here, after typing Microsoft Windows 10 in Google, you get the first option, download Windows 10 disk image. Click on that and wait, it's loading. Now you need to click on download tool now. If you want to directly download and install Windows by connecting your bootable pen drive or anything, or you can directly upgrade your Windows by using this tool. I prefer go for more download options. Using the tool you can create and the installation media, or you can directly upgrade it. Okay, this is the one option. You can go. There are wide varieties available. These are genuine. Okay, Windows 10 and 8.1 Windows 7. Here you get two different versions in this, that is 32-bit and 64-bit in all. Okay, so we need to download Windows 10. Okay, wait, you can see here. This is a tool, media creation tool. You can simply directly use the software to download the Windows directly, but I have the file of Windows 10 already downloaded. So you can see guys, here there is an option to download tool now only. Okay, if you want to do separately by downloading the ISO and by making yourself a bootable disk, you can do it if you wish to do it offline. Okay, after downloading the 5 GB file, it's 4 GB or 5 GB of Windows 10 file. Okay, you can directly download if you have stable internet by using this download tool now. Okay, you can directly download, and you need an active internet connection for doing this. You can directly upgrade your existing Windows into Windows 10. Okay, by downloading this tool. Okay guys, it and run it. Let's go guys. You need to download this tool and click save. You can see clearly media creation tool. Click on it and click yes. You can see you can directly install the Windows 10 in your existing PC, but you need a stable internet connection and you need a backup of your system. I prefer don't save anything in the system's disk, that is local disk C, as where your OS is installed. Okay guys, you can see here it's come like this, Windows 10 setup, getting a few things ready, and you need to wait, it's loading. It's genuine guys, it's from Microsoft. You can see clearly. Wait guys, it's loading. You can see here terms and conditions, and you need to accept this. Wait a while, it's loading. This takes time. You need to be patient. With patience. Guys, you can see it's loaded. If you want to upgrade this PC, you can directly click on this button and click next. Or else you can do a bootable disk for recovery purposes, it's better. Or you can directly upgrade this PC now. Click by next. Okay, if you have stable internet. Or else create installation media for you are trying to install for another device, another computer, or your laptop, or your any other computer. You can make that like this for recovery purposes. Any crash happened or anything, click next and select this. What type of Windows you are going to install? Is PC 32-bit? Based on your computer, it's showing it's my computer is 32-bit. This Windows 7 install was 32-bit. Okay, guys. So it's showing no options for this. Directly continue this only, or else you can remove the tick and choose your 64-bit. Okay, select and click next. It starts installing. Okay, guys, you can see how you want. You need to burn the ISO file to DVD, or you can download it into your USB, that is your pen drive. Directly bootable disk gets ready. Click by next. Okay, you can see here is already I made bootable disk by using an ISO process, another process. But this is easy. You can select directly insert a pen drive to it, and it will detect and select the pen drive and click next, so that it will download the files required for the Windows, and it make you a bootable disk fully loaded. Okay, guys, click on next. I have already done another method, so I am not clicking on next now. You need to select it, drive, and click on next, and it will make it completely. After completion, close it and go to boot menu and install it. Okay, guys, I am closing back. You can see you can select both any. If you want to do with pen drive, select this and click next, and it will make it for you bootable pen drive. Okay, guys, select your version as per and based on your wish and your processor, guys. Okay, you can directly upgrade this PC now. You can see, click next. Progress is continuing. Okay, so I am cancelling this because it's not required for me now. Okay, guys, you see the both method you tried it. Okay, based on your wish you can continue any of one of the methods, and this is alternate method which I prefer, and I am going to show you how to do this also. So you can see, guys, this you can see download Windows 10 option, download tool now. Okay, it's quite making long time, guys, so I will show you. But if you want to download the ISO file directly, you can proceed the procedure by opening the same process in the phone. You get option, you can see on my phone screen. Search in Google Microsoft Windows 10 and you can proceed here. The first tab same as in the PC, but you observe different options in this phone. You can see here, you observe directly, guys, it's different from PC. You can select the edition directly. Okay, guys, you can see in Windows PC you get another options, but in phone you get this options, so that you can directly download it. You need to select, it will show select edition, and click and select this Windows 10 May update. Okay, guys, and click on confirm, or you can see click on more download options, but it's not required, and click on confirm. Wait, it's loading. You can get here below, you can see after click on confirm, you can see below select language which you want. I prefer English International, and click on confirm. Wait, guys, you can see 24 hours valid this link is, and you can, based on your operating system and your processor, you need to select 32-bit or 64-bit based on your, and click download. My PC is the 64-bit processor, so I am doing to download 64-bit. You can see downloads, guys. Windows 10 2004 English International latest version 4.91 GB. Guys, it's downloading. It's fast and fast based on your internet. Guys, I'm pausing. I have already downloaded this technique by using this technique in my mobile and made a bootable disk by transferring to PC. Okay guys, you know the changes, which difference between these both. I will show my PC guys. You can see it's Windows 7 Ultimate guys. It's activated version. You can see here it's genuinely activated. Okay guys, now I'm going, it's 32-bit pre-installed guys. I installed 32-bit and my processor is 64-bit based guys. Okay, based on your installation you can proceed guys. I'm going to install now guys. Get ready. All you need to do, I already installed. You can see Windows 10 bootable. It's my pen drive guys. I made my pen drive bootable. Okay guys, you can see guys, I have a software called Rufus guys. This is the software required for making bootable disk guys. You need to do the bootable disk guys. Select, this is the pen drive. You need to select at least 8 GB storage you need for Windows 10 for making the bootable device. All this you need to select based on whether your BIOS or UEFI guys. Okay, select it and cluster size is out and the label of your pen drive after creating the bootable disk guys. You need to go and select here ISO image and click on this and go. It's the downloaded file which I downloaded now from the Microsoft website guys. This is the device and you need to click on open. It's ready guys. Here we selected the ISO file also. Now click on start so that it makes your pen drive bootable disk guys. Okay, your pen drive will be formatted and successfully installs the files required of Windows 10 guys. Okay, after doing the bootable disk, after clicking on start, it will take some time and create your pen drive as a bootable disk guys. It's created my pen drive as a bootable disk. So let's start the installation guys. Let's go guys. After done everything set up, you need to do is just restart your computer guys. You need to restart your computer guys. You can see the screen, it's restarting guys. Wait guys. Okay, you need to press Del button. Del, based on your computer guys, you need to select the options guys. Don't worry, it will show you on boot animation itself. Before booting, you can see here you need to go to boot and go to hard drive BBS priorities. If you are going to install with pen drive, I'm going to install with pen drive guys. Okay, go to hard drive BBS properties, click enter, and by using the arrow up and down you need to select it. Boot option 2 is the SanDisk Cruiser Blade. It is a bootable pen drive guys, so you need to make it to boot option 1 guys. Okay, all you need to do is guys, you need to go to boot option. In the boot menu you can go to boot option and go down and you need to go on hard drive BBS properties and click enter and click enter on the boot option 1 and change. It will be usually like this, WDC, that is hard disk, and boot option 2 is SanDisk Cruiser Blade, that is your pen drive. So make the boot option 1 as your pen drive guys. Okay, click enter on boot option 1 and select it as Cruiser Blade, that's your pen drive name. Okay guys, and you can see the options right side, F4 for save and exit. You need to click F4 for saving and exit guys. Okay guys, click F4. You can see on the screen you get options save, changes and exit. Click S, save changes and exit guys. That's it guys. It makes boom You can see guys the method. It will automatically makes your drive bootable. You can see, click any key to boot from USB guys. You need to click simply any key, A B C D A, like that, anything. Wait guys, just wait, it's loading guys. Oh, how? You can see guys, it's loading. Wait guys. Taking time. You can see it's loading. We need to wait. It takes a huge time guys, based on your PC limitation. Because it's 5 GB file guys, it takes loading time. You can see clearly Google then the file. You can see language if you want to install. Select this option guys based on your risk. You are from UK, any country guys, it's language based. You can choose time and currency format based on your country. You can choose, and keyboard everything as it is UK guys. You need to click on install now guys. Then the boot starting setup is starting guys. You can see this. You need to wait a couple of minutes. This message. You can see guys, activate Windows. If you are installing this Windows first time, you can see. You need to select guys Windows key. Okay guys, just type the key. It's capital W, all capital S, W, 2, C, 9, N, W, F, G, W, X, Y, V, C9B guys. C, 9, 9B, 4, A, 6, C, 9, 3, 8, 3, G, X. You can see clearly. Wait guys, it's the product key of this Windows 10. So click next after entering the product key. You can see after entering this product key, you need to click on the I accept this license stamp and click on next guys. Okay, understand you can clearly, and click next guys. If you are going to install Windows directly by keeping the all files which which is there in your local disk, that is where the previous Windows OS files are there. By keeping that files and upgrade your PC, then you need to select upgrade, install Windows and keep file settings and applications guys. If you prefer, I prefer, if you don't need anything previous Windows operating system apps settings or any Windows files, so better to click on custom install guys. If you need previous Windows files and settings and application, then you need to click on upgrade install Windows, guys. I don't need anything debug and anything, so I'm going to click on install Windows only. By preferring that, you can see guys, here there is plenty of options. You need to select system, that is your Windows OS files basically will be there in this system, guys. Based on that, you need to select that. This is the drive which I have my computer Windows files, guys. Windows 7 Ultimate files all. So I prefer to install in this, guys. So select this. If you want clean installation, select this and click on format, guys. You can see 48 GB system here and click. Guys, be careful before doing this. You need to cross check that which drive your Windows files is there. Windows files means system files, not your main files, photos, images, or your videos, anything else, guys. The Windows files, the apps, application software and Windows software that is installed on your drive, you need to select that drive, guys. Okay, Windows files where your previous Windows files is there, select that. This, guys, be careful, caution, guys, be careful while doing this, guys. Select the appropriate disk of your previous Windows, guys. All my Windows 7 files are there in this disk, guys, installed. Okay, I selected this. For clean installation, I am going to clean installation, guys. So I am clicking format, guys. You can see partition to 48 GB system. I am going to install this only in my previous system. After clicking format, everything your Windows 7 file, every file will be Windows 7 OS files, guys. This is operating system files, not your videos, apps, guys. And some PCs may get only one partition, guys. There will be only one partition, guys, in some PCs and laptops. So before doing this, you need to create a partition, guys, from this. Some I observed in many computers and laptops upcoming, they will do only one drive, guys. Total your full GB into one drive only. So you need to do the partition, guys, from this. Okay, guys, from this you need to do partition before doing this process, guys. If you have already partitioned, you will see like this. This is the system, and select format. Already I done. You can see before formatted. You can see free space and total size, guys. Now click next, guys. And guys, if you have only one drive here listed, so you need to do before you need to do the partition, guys, for your files to be saved, guys. I prefer do the partition. You can search simply in Google how to do partition of your disk, guys. So be careful, do the partition before this process. Let's go, guys, let's start. Select this previous system file drive and click next, guys. You can see copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation. It's need to be done 100%. And next, installing features, installing updates, getting finished. This all goes one by one process, guys. You need to wait, guys. You need a big patience, guys. You can forward the video, guys. Simply, I'm going to show every bit in my video, guys, so that it takes long time, guys, but it makes well and 100% success, guys. Even a beginner can install the Windows, guys. No need any external knowledge or any knowledge, guys. You can simply install, guys, from this. Okay, guys. Okay, you can simply install, guys, without zero knowledge, guys, by seeing this video. But be patient and be observe every step and every method correctly. So I'm making this video long, guys, or else I can show like other YouTubers, guys, in 5 minutes, in 2 minutes, by skipping all the process and clicking directly, by making the video faster, 5x faster, 12x faster. So you cannot observe and understand, guys, clearly. So I'm making a crystal clear video to install Windows. First time in YouTube, I think so. I don't know about other channels, but they make in 10 minutes, 5 minutes how to install, but it's not, guys. This is the correct way for explaining and clearly mentioning the process, guys. For even a noob, a beginner can do this. Even zero knowledge person can install the Windows. I prefer. Many Windows installers will take 1000 rupees, 500 rupees, and many charges and money, guys, for installing these Windows. You can simply install yourself and save your money, guys. So be cautious, and everything you need to observe and cross check 5 times at least for skipping the mistakes, guys, which you do basically. So be careful, guys. That's it. You can do everything, anything. Simple process. All you need patience. Wait, guys. Cool, guys. Be cool. Sip a cup of tea or coffee, anything, and sit. It will take the process itself, guys. Drink some lychee, guys. Scroll and calm, guys. Lychee. Energy drink or like that. Simply be patient, guys. It take about 40 minutes and half an hour, guys. Patience, guys. Patience. Drink it, guys. Drink it. Anything. Be cool, guys. And you need a stable connection of electricity, guys. Electric connection, guys. If my current goes in between this, your system may crash, guys. So be careful, guys. If anything happens in the middle, you need to do is same process, guys. Select the disk, and so that's why I'm going by this pen drive process, guys, because it will have a safety, guys, to recover. Bootable pen drive, you need to always keep a bootable pen drive with you, guys, so that you don't need to go any shops for installing OS, guys. I prefer to keep a pen drive with you, with always a bootable pen drive, guys. Any Windows you prefer, by making your pen drive bootable, which will helps you to recover if any crash happens or anything happens, guys. To easily recover, guys, you can install again your Windows. So you can see, guys, with patience. Let's see, guys. You can skip this, guys, or forward slowly 15 seconds faster, or you can play this video by 5x faster, like this, guys, like that. I am keeping this video this much long. Every process should be understood by a noob and every person, guys. So be stable, guys. Wait, guys, don't worry. You can see, guys, getting files ready for installation 99%, guys. It takes huge time, guys. Be patient. Patience. I prefer to do this while you time. Huge time required. You can see installing features also done, installing updates also done, getting finished, guys, getting finished. Okay, guys, keep a wait and wait and wait. It takes time, guys. After this it will restart, guys. You can click restart now or wait 10 seconds. It will automatically restart. It's taking more time, guys. It will restarting, guys, restarting. Wait while, guys, restarting. You can see restarting. Don't worry, guys, it will automatically start the setup. Do not need to press anything. It will continue the process automatically. Our Windows is successfully installed, guys. All you need to do is keep your settings, guys. We need to settings, guys. To skip the disk, I will skip this disk checking, guys. I pressed any key, guys, A B C D, because it takes a huge time, guys. It checks every disk, guys, for any faults or any problems. So I just skip it by. pressing the key, any key guys, A, B, C, D. Wait guys. Cool guys, cool. Be cool. It's taking a lot of time. You can see getting ready, starting services guys. You need to set up your username, password, and all things guys, necessary things. If you install Windows 7 or Windows 8 or any older versions, you need to install drivers guys, audio driver, video driver, and graphics drivers. All you need to install guys, that. But in Windows 10 usually you get audio driver guys, but you need to install the graphic driver that is based on your graphics. If you use AMD, you need to install AMD drivers. If you use Nvidia, you need to install Nvidia video drivers guys, graphic video drivers. Be patient guys, it takes a lot time getting ready guys. Bug fixes video guys, it's everything you need will be fixed guys, crystal clear fixing guys, so that YouTubers makes a video perfect for viewers guys, so that bug need will be every bug can be easily fixed guys. You can simply fix these bugs spotted for first time or second time or every time. The bug fixer will be ready for fixing that bug. Stay tuned with this bug fixers channels guys. Guys, you can see guys. Wait guys, you can see getting ready process is done. It's again restarting. Wait file guys. Now you can remove your pen drive guys. It's not in now, but wait, it will always do it for you guys. Cool guys, it's restarted and it will set up your Windows 10. Be patient guys. It's again this checking guys. Skip it guys by pressing any key. I skipped it guys. This check is not mandatory. If you want to check errors in your disk, you need to proceed with disk checking guys. It takes another half an hour guys.